Once your new pools arrive, it's time to get them installed on your new cabinets. I'll show you how to install your new pools like a pro. If your cabinets don't already have holes, we'll show you how to drill holes and install your new cabinet pools. You'll need a pencil, a ruler or tape measure, a drill with a 3/16" bit, a Phillips screwdriver, and some painter's tape. First, you'll need to decide on the placement of your cabinet pools. There's no wrong answer, so choose your placement based on what's most comfortable for you. Typically on cabinet doors, pools are placed about 2.5 to 3 inches from the edge of the door and centered horizontally on the door frame. Pro tip, use a piece of painter's tape on your cabinet door so you can mark measurements without leaving permanent marks on your cabinets. The pool should be centered horizontally on the frame of the door. Use a ruler or tape measure to mark the horizontal center in 2 spots on the tape. Use a ruler or straight edge to draw a line connecting the 2 marks. Next, hold the pole up to the door in the location you want to install it. We recommend placing the foot of the pole 2.5 to 3 inches from the edge of the door. You may want to line up the pole's foot with the inside corner of the door frame, or you may prefer it mounted a little higher or lower. Remember, there's no wrong answer. Lay the pole on its side and look at the holes. For the hole closest to the corner, mark the location of the hole on the vertical line of the tape. Pro tip, use a template to mark the hole locations for your pools. We've included a complimentary installation template with your order. The template includes holes for multiple sizes of pools. Compare the template to your pools and note the one that matches your pools. You may want to mark it with a Sharpie. Align the template by placing the holes over the location you marked for the pool hole. Then align the dotted lines on the template with the vertical center line on your door. Attach temporarily with a small piece of tape. Use a pencil or pen to mark through the holes on the template onto the tape for each hole location. Remove the template and set aside for the next door. Check your marks by holding your new pool up to the door. All good here, we're ready to drill. Put a piece of painter's tape on the back of the door where the holes will be. This keeps the drill bit from splintering the wood as it pushes through the door frame. You'll need a drill and a 3/16" drill bit. Place the tip of the drill bit on your mark and tap the back of the drill with your other hand. This makes a small indentation where the bit will drill and keeps it from moving around. Make sure you hold the drill level as you drill a hole from the front side of the cabinet door all the way through the door frame. Drill slowly so you don't splinter the door as the bit pushes through the back side. You'll want to make sure not to drill into your cabinet frame, so be sure to hold the door open while you drill. Make sure to use the same spacing on all your doors. Use a tape measure or ruler to measure the vertical distance from the edge of the door to the center of your first hole. If you have a pantry cabinet, you'll want to place pools at a comfortable arm height for an adult, usually about 48 inches from the floor. Hold your pools up to the pantry door where they're comfortable. The location of the pantry door pools may be different from the other cabinet doors in your kitchen. Now you're ready to attach your new pools. Screws are included with your pools. In each pool pack, there are 2 types of screws. The standard screw is the perfect length for cabinet doors. It may also work for your drawers if you don't have thick drawer fronts. Also included are breakaway screws. This screw is designed to be broken off to the length you need. We'll set this one aside for later if we need it. Once your holes are drilled, insert the screw into the hole from the back of the door. The screw needs to stick out from the door about 1/4 of an inch. If the screw is too short, use the included breakaway screws. Use a pair of wire cutters or pliers to break the screw to the correct length. Careful not to bend the screw or damage the threads. Align the screw with the holes in the pole and tighten the screw. Repeat with the second screw. Install all of your pools and step back to admire your new kitchen.